Subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon to never miss any updates.
Hey everyone, this is Anuj Vara here, and in this particular video we are going to talk about, are you too much reliable on equity markets only? I'm making this video to let you know that I have seen a lot of people started investing in 2021 because there was a massive stock market rally, but they don't know about what can happen, how the stock market can react when there is a downturn in the stock market. So it is very essential to know that what are the things that you need to consider in 2022 and how you should plan your investment in 2022. So if you are too much reliable on equity markets, or I should say stocks and equity mutual funds, then you need to watch this video. So basically there are a lot of people who have started investing in 2021 considering there is a heavy demand and there was a massive return on investment was going on in the stock market. After the COVID-19, after the 23rd of March 2020, from 26,000 Sensex to the all-time high was nearly 61,000. So there was a massive optimism in the stock market, and because of this, people started considering that stock market is a money-making machine. Yes, it is a money-making machine, but only for the long run. You may lose a lot of money if you consider making money in the short run. Yes, if you have the knowledge, if you have proper knowledge of stock trading, you can definitely make a lot of money. But if you are new to investing, if you are new in the stock market, then there are a huge possibilities that you will make losses. So as you have the plan for short-term investing, I would consider to reduce your equity portion in 2022 because there are chances of uncertainties in the stock market. So when in emergency, when you need money, you will have to make losses by selling your portfolio. So it is advisable to shift a little bit of equity investment from equity to you can consider debt funds. There are many debt funds of SBI which you can consider, and you can also choose for gold and plan for the long run. Why gold? Because in the long run, gold also increases. The prices of gold also increases. Historically, if you compare equity and gold, equity have given more returns, but gold is also a better investment option. Why we are considering gold? Because we want more safe investment. Equities are risky for short term, but in the long run, equities grow. So your portfolio will grow over the long period of time. But here we are considering that a majority of the investors who have started investing in 2021 consider investing for the short term. They have the approach of short term investing. They generally buy and sell, but the markets can be heavily volatile. So you need to be aware that you can lose your money if you are planning for the short term. And that's why I urge you to shift your investment from stocks to debt funds, or you can say gold. So that's it for this video. It's not like I'm demotivating you to invest, but you have to think practically. You should not rely too much on equity investments. You can, if you want to take risk, yes, you can definitely rely, but you need to plan properly, because when in emergency, when you need money, you need to have sufficient fund to cover all such expenses. It's not like you consider selling your investment portfolio to fulfill the need in the case of emergency. You need to plan properly. You need to have emergency fund. You need to have sufficient account in your savings bank. It's not like you have huge portion in your equity investments and you have less portion that you will not cover your emergency expenses. So this is what you need to understand before going ahead for 2022 in equity investments. So thank you so much for watching. If you need help regarding investment advice, feel free to check out the link in the description below. Thanks so much for watching.